Did you know that IXL has video tutorials for math and English language arts? These engaging, bite-sized lessons allow students to get the help they need, whenever they need it. Let's take a closer look at how you can incorporate IXL's video tutorials into your lessons to foster independent learning. First, plan your lesson and find the corresponding IXL skill that matches your objective. You can easily search for skills for your grade level by scanning the grades page. Or use ready-made IXL skill plans that align to your textbooks or standards. After selecting a skill, you can find the video tutorial by clicking on Watch a Tutorial at the top of the page. Next, decide how you want to use IXL video tutorials. From instructing your entire class to supporting at-home practice, they're perfect for a variety of instructional needs. For whole class instruction, you can use IXL videos to introduce your lesson or to quickly review an old topic. If students get stuck while working individually, they can self-remediate by watching a tutorial. And at home, parents can use the videos as an additional resource to support their child. Finally, don't forget to check for understanding with the Skills Practiced and Trouble Spots reports. Visit the Skills Practice report to see the exact skills your students are working on and how they're doing. You can also use this report to quickly assess which concepts may need to be reviewed. Further, the Trouble Spots report provides insights on students who might be struggling with a lesson. The groupings provided break students out by what they're struggling with, so they're perfect for reteaching students in small groups. Whether your students are exploring a new topic or reviewing past material, IXL's video tutorials will empower them to take ownership of their learning. With these simple steps, you can watch students grow as they strengthen their independent learning skills.